आ गया वहाँ पे खड़े ना ट्राइपॉड वहाँ पे
Adung pelat kapal benam Selap berat aduk kapal benam रेनकोट देना लाइब्रेरी ढेके तुम चौथे छात्र गाड़ी का चौथे रेनकोट देना छात्र ढेके नहीं लाइब्रेरी ढेके रेनकोट लगाओ बीमार हो जाएगा
क्लियर कर देंगे आप टेंशन मत हेलो हेलो आगे चल जाओ सर आप लोग अली ऊपर आई थी संजीत अली कहाँ है अली इधर जा रहा है but what we are learning is that the SIT team will reach the spot in a short while from now with all the 5 accused that you can see a lot of movement there some vehicles you can see a lot of security presence in the area across
dream cara berluskoi ini
with the accused may arrive in the area anytime now we are keeping a close eye on the area where actually view the parking lot
kulit juga iskafnya paharajur
is also close to the Norwest parking lot and track from where Raja Sonam along with
live stream juga
बारिश नहीं आ रहा है
crime scene juga
আৰু মাত্ৰ কেইটামান মুহূৰ্তৰ পিছতে এই স্থানত আহি উপস্থিত হ'বই সুনমৰ সৈতে প্ৰেমিক ৰাজ
Sunam Premis Raj Asibo Itya Raj Sunam Asibo Manukto Anand Pandey Akash Official Sapoy Kanekapora Kanekajaka Kimbatay Eki Bakilale Hapanchay Bahag Eki Kampoman Keki Kiapla Kanekapora Kulit Kiapatay Bahag Kipai baru kincai, kekam paman kibalale, laklan, kene kekam kamdesu, kekam kuba, kene kutai keberit, kekam kuba laklan, warna ka, crime petrol rujak kundong, Ahmad kene kas, crime kubalale, kene kasonom, wade plan kasonom lale. Nega jingle jo kasonom bala penkindit kipai ba babun malam ni tang na ko jela de na bar koi ka puthe bala sakhi ya kanega jingle jo kanega kasonom kila pen lengba kila tukai bor baper kila yakin dit kumno ka kanthei kala banle ya kanega kam Kasonom kalajin poi dekat pergi kulit juga jelai iskafihers Meghalaya kulit dekat kasonom bagi paralog dekat balaya don ketilang akan kambat penyiap Yubapli Raja Raghuvanshi dia perlu akan ekspor villa penyiwi kasing kenang kadung wala kataru brand jung slap ngia yin ya pani pizza ki perlok ya kaneka crime scene joka sonom blok kunci yang berkiper lok joka julok lade kala penyap raja rok kunci tang tar penyok tar ya kan tangka jini tang si tersemru klem tang mut tersemru ka klem ajinge yo raja rok kunci bapli kala thelut la ailut kan bakwa kapsa kaspa kaksiar kala ailut andre nakaliang ka sonom blok kunci kai penban kela ka jing yap raja republik kanu jing sumsei kanu jing sumsei raja republik ula thelu lai tilut perfect nang bandio jing naka drai makapat ai keliang daka jing yap kasonom rokubunci akajaka benai daka jingit markeliang henry ka ai kala daka jing yap yu raja rokubunci karno jing sung sunai sung serkai ban perkhat ban mudur kumno kawi ka kanthai kalok lade kala ban penyap yalo ulok lajong
ये वाला जी बोलिए
sung serkai
नहीं एक काम करते पहले हम लोग चेक करके आते हैं वो
kane ka jingja ka bala pen kindit lut ikibriu jo kane ka perthai hi barokuai om tang ka jala mi khlaya andre perthai jo kane ka ikibriu jo kane ka perthai hi barokuai la pen kindit kane ka sonom ro kunci bada kane ka por sila panigi idengya ap ban poi ka sonom ro kunci nakaliang jo ki pulet di special team ila poi dia soi bagi badang sa kidang yawan lang rengkat pada sonom revolusi nakaliang juga kulit kila kiarkut ya kane ka jaka ja bandung yanu sepo pada kane ka por ngidon sabar jokane ka area
पूरी गाड़ियां जो हैं वो यहाँ पर आपको देखो तस्वीरों में आपको यहाँ पर गाड़ियां जो हैं
sonom kaca balai kaca bapai sonom kei kata ka sonom huis sonom ka sonom kadai ka nong penyap jala ulok lajong ka sonom kadai akan jaka jingit ka ai keliang da ka jingyap kata kadai ka sonom huis sonom huis sonom sonom kadai ka nong penyap breu ka nong penyap jala ulok lajong akan jaka benai ka jingit mar keliang henry ka ai keliang da ka jingyap yala ulok lajong wow sungsir kei mlaban mudur mlaban ngai mlaban
ওখানে ওখানে নেটওয়ার্কের ব্যাপারে আমরা জানি না
mla asiu ban batai mdon keten ban batai kalok lajong ka penyap yala ulok lajong wow kata rudang sedia pia tho kata rudang sedia pia tho
গাড়ি ছাড়া যাওয়াটা কেন চাপতে বলতো
bapli tangka siklat kumlem yo di baha na kalok lajong Henry yo penban ta musnam hai re hai kanu jing sung sunai ban perkhat yu raja kanu jing sung sunai ban perkhat yu raja mla ban mudur baju jakot ya kum kane ka jingja apo jela jungi baju smau baju jakot ya kum kane ka jingja apo jela jungi ka jela jungi kade ka jela bati breu bati play ngim judon ya kum kata ban penyap breu ban penyap ya la ulok dan ngimon ngi sukat play ngim ju pen mansau ngim ju sim ya kan mensin breu kadre wala kata ro ka jela jungi kala sakon ko la sakon no hahar kom naki babun kiliang naki babun ki jela naki babun ki breu bat menta ka ublay la sakhi la pen pau bakane ka jingle baro ki bala sakon no umde nakajela me khalaya umde benreu jungi henry de ka jaj benreu jong me siahi de ka jaj benreu jong me siahi baju milen barle akum kane ka kam ka jaj benreu khasi jungi jumlen ban penyap breu ban che me ka jingem jong ki wei kata ka de ka kurua ka basai ngakwa ban pensto ikinong wei nong ar baju milen bajuan kuntho kono ya ka jela be de jungi Banyak kajat berdeu jungi Pentopria kajat berdeu jungi jumlin bandra tari bandra white ban penyap priu Ekitorius khamtam Ekitorius mi buram bang ikhen kum ki blay ki wan hapo jala jungi ki wan ai jak po ki babun pai ba ki basa ki thai nam kondom khamtam lelei Bat hakane ka por hakini ki sing layo snow layo yi hakilat pathai kubor baper
आपको हम उस जगह पर भी लेकर चले
Ba nakaliang jugi pai ba
वहाँ पर भी
nakiri thor khamtam kiwan ban kunno konto ban to top ria ka jala jungi ba hakane ka por ble ula pan pau ba kamdei kijaj penriu khasi jungi ndei ka jala bai ya jungi balai akum kana ka kam pet menta pet manu balai akum kana ka kam kan batai hi maka dalade menta kan pensai hi maka dalade menta kan pensai kedar ekei ka balale maka bat ka perthai kan sakhi menta ka sngi ka perthai kan sakhi ka jala mekhlaya kamdei ka jala rukai kamkai ka jala ka bala kurku dublei don reka dublei akan ka por ngidengai ab ya ka sonom bat lam kiperlok jengka ke lawan ban pun budna me ka jela bai dia jungi kalawan ban pun mo warai kinam sneu na benta ka jela jungi bat ka jaj berdeu jungi bat akan ka por vila ban saki bagi pulit kidangai ap dengai pahara sakatukan ne ka por kan sa poino Aingu you play. Mau play ula penpau ya kajing sisa aingu you play. Ya like tartar perolok. Ya like tartar ya one page ya I like tartar ya kanega channel. Ya subscribe bro. Ya subscribe ya ka channel nabenta ka burom jokari. Bat nabenta ka jeng bendreu jungi kepala penpau ya kajing sisa play. Praise the Lord. Woo. Kita sikan pelahi dalade bakai kepala le. Akan ikat hain. Betasi kan pelahi dalade, kei kebalale, kei kebala awan pen khobria ya ka jela bade ka jaj bener jumi. Menta ka perthai barokoi kan sakhi. Menta asli barokoi ka perthai kan sakhi. Ka perthai kan sakhi menta asli. Ka perthai barokoi kan sakhi menta asli. Kei kebalale. Kaperthai barakoi kan sakhi mtasni kamdei ka jela jungi ke baju milen ban penyap breu menjura tari menjura white kijaj bereu jungi nang de sakmat ujuya milen show ban kuno kentho ban pentho bria ya ka jela jungi kata kadai ka jingkro junga da ka basai ekit nongwei nongar aba fiawan wan da ka basuk le da ka basuk Wanda ka jikkemen lipai ka jikkemen wadwan ra ki nam sneu ki kam sneu hapo jela bai je jungi kata ka de ka kerua basai nakaliang jonga bat nakali pai baru apa fiawan yat kai pengat akan ka jela bai je jungi yawan tambah wadwan ra ki kam sneu nam sneu wat pen thobria ka jela bai je jungi te akan ka po nakaliang jugi bor pulit kidang yale kat bala pat dang yale kat bala daka bor met ne daka bor perkhat ne ban pensisa andrai oh haden ka jintokit la bun por bun sngi ka thok si thok andrai khumla siu ban thok Mla sio ban buri ka jing sisia apen pau bet namar nakoi ka po sa koi ka por kinang yai mi ki jing sisia nang yai mi ki video kinang yai mi ki video ki duhi jongka bakal lale kam sneo kamut ban buri henrei nakaliang jongki polet bat nakaliang jungublei du unang yai pen pau ya ka jing le kam sneo kam bomman jongka ngihap keren mekeren uang uai ubreu tiap ngam tiap re ba mot support ya ka sonam rogo benci amat lai tena de ka sonam rogo benci te khilai bat sonam rogo benci nayaro thane ka to namar ka to kalale ka kam ka ba bamya ha ba ka imlang salang kalale saba palat kami tenat haka imlang salang kebalawan ban pensniu kalawan ban pensniu dur ka jela ba de ka jet benreu jungi bat mentah kene ka por ngila ban sakhi dalade dalaki kmat lajong aingu yublay da bismo aingu yublay balapan pau ka jing sisia bada kane ka por ngi ai kublay ru ki pulet jong kane ka jela kila tre bat met bat sni ka tre bat ka bormet Gide banai kublai kerpang iki pulit jong kane ka jela kilayale ka bormet banlap den ya kini ki jingsniu paro dadi bamlap kata te jaj bener jungi kata lakut kata lasakren kata kibasa sanongwei kikun jongi kiparado prasnam jongi kata te lakut kamda syai ka video namar ka dompalat ka suin benang wasmoy paralok ka dompalat ka suin benang kamda syai than ka kamera jongaru apa dio bantet ka kamera ka ba khamram dor ka ba khambyang an sathit dade bang ayo ki jingkersan napi ki paralok dade via stunat ban pe ya ka YouTube channel jonga ki video jonga ngansa nang ya improve nganang sa ya ile bahas susu nganang sa ile bahas susu nganang sa ile nganang ya minute susu hakikam ban pen pau ya ka jing sisa baro yes bro the crime scene done by Bunchi and with our friend along with her friend along with her gundas. Today she will declare, she will explain how did she did. That's so big crime scene. Nobody poi perkhat ma. Nobody poi perkhat. Bakawai ke kentei kala banle kat ya kane ka kam. Kata ru de kalok lade ban penyap ulok lade is not a joke. It's not a joke.
There you see.
Yeah, there you can see. It's very cloudy and dark. Camera also not capturing. Today is rainy day and very cloudy. We cannot see anything here. It's blur. It's totally blur. But it's okay. We want to see that. We want that she come and reveal her sin.
She had already fled to Indore via Siliguri and UP, and then
she has come from Indore, from Madhya Pradesh.
On the 9th of June, and following
Yeah.
that, the Meghalaya police took
How did she know? The Meghalaya, here in Meghalaya is so many riat, so many lom kiwa. How she know before she has come here? No. Then how she know?
confessed, admitted to their involvement involvement in this.
Why didn't she, when here and there, she come and did this crime scene here in Meghalaya? I'm so angry today.
Thanks to the efforts of the Meghalaya police,
More.
7 days, the case
Lade balle shuai am.
it became clear.
Lade balle sakui ki jaka. Kayu i betang ya ka Meghalaya hi kumnu katep. Bahne apo Meghalaya jungi kadon ki riat ki ram ki bahe ki syait ki bahe kakhna shalak.
For the masterminds, but yes,
Mastermind.
at early stage still, and the Meghalaya police are all set.
Meghalaya police are
Additional
working hard
of the accused.
for rebuild the
That's
truth.
why this crime scene retrievation
Salute to
is a very important part
police of Meghalaya.
investigation. They-
Love you,
the
police
vehicles
of
here
Meghalaya.
These are the vehicles which carried the accused Sonam Raghuvanshi, Raj Kushwaha, Anand Kurmi.
All the nation have seen the power and the glory of Meghalaya police.
This heavy security deployment in the
Our Meghalaya police are very brilliant. Bastat bha. Ki police jo ka jala Meghalaya de ki bri bastat bha.
being recreated.
Ab yaro ki police.
It's foggy here, it's raining here, it's inclement weather, but again,
Yeah, weather is
that's Sora.
becoming
And,
foggy.
that's why
Everywhere is cloudy. Nothing can see here.
the criminals chose this place because
Ladum lut.
it's secluded and probably
Kamera roll aji.
came to light.
Nalor baka slap kamera roll aji. Nothing we can see here. What to do? What not to do? I am confused.
The mystery, the twist behind the case.
Nothing we can see here now.
We have to see
Oh,
what comes out.
ladum.
Seen because this is perhaps the first time since the production in court that all the five.
Nothing we can see here. See, so cloudy and doom. Kaladum palat kapneng. Kaslap berit.
Because the accused, as per the Meghalaya police, has been giving contradictory.
Saya mentasni kasun benang kalong kumni harum sila banyui perlok kadum palat kasun benang.
It'll be interesting on how they react and what account of the incident do they actually give. It will also
Teng insa beteng biang
new details.
takawai ka
Details.
video kan satya akan ka channel sana yang subscribe ba video ki jintep bayade bat kene.
Committed in some of the place and the body.
Saya subscribe ya ka channel ba video tip next coming video bakai kapla hakane kapor kasonom rogobanshi bat lem ki perlok jengka.
Including Sonam Raghuvanshi were there.
What klet banum subscribe ya ka YouTube channel.
Which angle at which
Subscribe thar finla finui ki video ki bathmai kansa mansa upload no sian hi.
behind his head with a sharp weapon. Of course, the weapon, the machete, was later recovered. That is another case. The recovery of the machete, in fact, is one of the turning points of this case because what the police found out is that the machete was brought not from Meghalaya but from outside. And later, it was found that it was brought somewhere from Guwahati. This is one angle which gave the police.
Oh, la khamsa. नहीं जाने दे रहा यार क्या करेगा इधर से वीडियो करता है हम लोग में इधर नहीं जाने देता तो देखो ना पुलिस पूरा खड़ा है कैसा जाएगा चल उड़ के जाएगा हम और तुम चल दोस्त उड़ के जाएगा चल Apang rendang thaj ban keren ngai pe perlok pe athaj
ब्रिज नहीं एक मिनट यहाँ पर तो कोई ब्रिज नहीं डबल जगह ब्रिज नहीं है ये उड़ीसा उधर ध्यान दिया
bala kasan benar entah. Lawan lapoy layawan perlok. Agia sonom agia me. Lapoy ka sonom lapoy.
क्राइम सीन को रिक्रिएट किया जाएगा अभी उसके बाद आपको गाड़ियां यहाँ
after he was murdered, he tracked all the way up with Sonam Raghuvanshi and the three accused, three contract killers who got him here to the White House parking lot.
The killers layapoy lud hadi. The killers has brought here.
That was later recovered from
Sonam lapoy ka sonam. Apo woi saudong.
Raja Raghuvanshi
Rengkat pergi special team.
was recovered and
Rengkat pergi polis kena ka jala yes ka sehil. Layapoy akan ka por.
we just saw a short while back that the police team, the SIT team, is rushing towards the crime scene with all the accused: Sonam Raghuvanshi, Raj Kushwaha, Anand Purni, Vishal Singh Chauhan, and Akash Rajput. The action now shifts towards the crime scene. You can see there the parking lot, the white Sadong parking lot that you can see on the screens here. That's where it took place. That's where Raja Raghuvanshi was murdered.
पूरा बारिश से हम पी गया देखो ना पूरा बारिश है ना इसका दिन ये खाली सोनम आने से बारिश होता है कल अच्छा था दिन कल धूप था तो इधर चेरापूंजी में देखो ना आज बारिश है
and this area there you see the vehicles have reached. There you can see the vehicles with the accused. They have reached the spot. Yes, you can zoom in there. The accused has reached the spot where the crime scene will be recreated. This is a densely forested area. This is the area where Raja Raghuvanshi was murdered. His body was thrown 450 feet. So it's a three-layered gorge. It took the NDRF and the SDRF as many as 11 days to trace his body, and then the search continued to trace Sonam Raghuvanshi was not to be found because by then, as we know now, following the interrogation, she had already fled to Indore via Siliguri and UP, and then came back to Ghazipur, where she surrendered on the 9th of June, and following that, the Meghalaya police took custody of all the 5 accused. They were brought in to Meghalaya, produced in court, secured 8 days of custody. The interrogations have revealed a lot about this case, and the police has by now gathered a strong evidence against all the 5 accused who have by now admitted to their involvement in this crime. that not only shame humanity,
Ane hai
but
jom tu
sport,
te le apa i.
to Sora and Megalia.
Ini mine. Madam kasaya. Senam binale na jadu. Senam binale na jadu. Senam binale ile kumya kade nakam. Senam. Singapore sila beli laya pilot. Pada FIT special team. Senam dekat perlom dekat supaya dan hilang material di raja. Bila beli di kameramen kido petar kilaya mare seneng serup bamyungi bahara. Bicara betul melalui dia nan me na jongulum si zumbai in pidi lang si baro balba zumbai nan me kamera apa silakan video capture ya kum kini dijai Network betul.
After he was murdered, he tracked all the way up and the three accused, three contract killers who got him here to the White House. And then Raja Raghuvanshi was from behind the shot. Later, the crime scene that was recovered from nearby from where Raja Raghuvanshi's body was recovered.
You plugged into Nirvana. Bluetooth mode.
A short while back, that we just saw a short